Hello Amazon shoppers, this is Otter, and if you've read my review of the Sony CX500V Handycam, you'll know that I'm very enthusiastic about this new camcorder. However, this video review, this brief video review, is actually not about the camcorder itself. It's about this fantastic case I found today at the local REI. And it fits the Handycam like a glove. It's a Niteize, N-I-T-E-I-Z-E backbone case. Model number is BB20. And before I describe all the great features on this case, let me just show you how well it fits the CX500V. I'll open it up. Notice it has some webbing on the side, a little elasticized webbing. It's kind of a soft fleece material on the interior. And the camcorder it fits perfectly. It's amazing. But it fits like a glove, like I said. Look at that. And then you just draw it up. It does have two zipper draws. And having two zipper draws allows you to move the opening wherever you want it. And that's nice because the belt clip, which is very, very robust, rotates. So you can put it on your belt horizontally or vertically. The material, well, the packing shows the material with raindrops bouncing off, so it's at least water resistant, probably waterproof material. It's kind of a rubberized Cordura. Even the material on the zipper is a rubberized type of a cloth. The name of the case is a backbone, and I assume that's because this area on the back is a reinforced nylon material that provides rigidity for the case to give protection to the contents and to maintain the shape of the case. I would be very comfortable taking this case outside in the rain or inclement weather. All in all, this is a case worthy of your $1,000 camcorder. In my opinion, it's nicer than the one that Sony offers, and it's quite a bit cheaper. I paid $18.95 for this at REI, and it's also available here on Amazon and eligible for Prime shipping. What else is there to say? This is the Niteize, N-I-T-E-I-Z-E backbone case, model BB20. Fits the CX500V like a glove. Thanks for watching.